YouTube, what is good? And first and foremost, as you can see, my Will Smith from Pursuit of Happiness haircut is now gone. Started with something new, something fresh. Anyway, I have also decided to start a new mini-series on my channel. I have noticed going back through all my videos, this here will be the 14th video where I'm copping a shoe and showing you guys a shoe that I got that released from 2019 and the past. So I was like, why not just turn this into a little playlist type thing? No, I did not rename those other videos, those older videos as episodes, but today is going to be the first episode of my new mini-series called Throwing It Back. It's going to be something like Throwback Thursday. However, I can't really predict when I will be buying these shoes. So Throwing It Back episodes will just be any day that I cop a new shoe that is a old shoe. Yes, I know, contradicting. But still, a new pack just came down. Finally, I ordered this shoe April 29th off Go. A new pack, or I should say box. Look how terrible this box is. But anyway, let's unbox it together. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and welcome to Q Soul Kicks. First of all, as I showed you guys earlier, the box, I have no idea what UPS or USPS, I don't know. Goat said they was going to ship it with UPS, but then it ended up coming here with USPS. I don't know what happened, but this is bad. This is bad. However, the shoes inside were intact, and that's all that I really care about. I don't wear the box. I'm just going to put the box in the closet and let it just sit there. But anyway, let's go ahead and open these bad boys. And as you can see, yes sir, an OG colorway, the Air Jordan 6 Maroon 2015 release. Now, if you have not done so already, I did release an older video called my top 5 ways or top 3 ways on how to cop sneakers for cheap. The reason I'm telling you this is because I need you to go check that video out. These Maroon 6s I got off Go, DS, dead stock, for only $92 shipped. I'm telling you, please go over there, check that video out, and you will see why. But anyway, getting into the details of this shoe, the reason I believe it was $92 shipped is the natural aging of the shoe. As you can see all over, it does have that natural aging type feel to it. You can see around the medial and lateral panels how it's no longer white, but you can see that little off-white creamish type color. It's all throughout the shoe, the medial, the lateral, the front, the back, all along the midsole. I don't really mind it because you know me, as you've been tuning into this channel, I like vintage and aged things. So it didn't really bother me as much as long as it was dead stock. And as you can see on the bottom of the shoe right now, it's beautiful. Never been worn. The only issue, quote unquote, is that aging. But the aging sole, especially if it's natural, looks absolutely amazing. Especially with the uppers now looking super cream, and then the maroon color with that beiges aging. That's fire to me personally. I had to cop this shoe. It really didn't bother me at all. Heading to the back of the shoe, you of course, that Nike Air branding sitting back there in all white. It is beautiful. I love Nike Air branding, especially on OG colorways. Can't go wrong. Going to the inside sock liner, of course, all white, crispy. They have never been worn, but you know I like to inspect my shoe. Going into the inside soles, they look absolutely untouchable. Still with the Nike Air in white, not missing. The sticker that says boy size 7, not missing. Absolutely dope pair. Honestly, I'm just shocked that I was able to get this pair. DS, only problem was the box. I don't wear the box. Second problem, and these aren't really problems to me, so I'm quoting them. Other problem with that natural aging from 2015. Hey, they ain't got nothing to do with me. I like aged shoes, I like vintage type things, and this gives me those vintage vibes, although they only released in 2015. So for $92 shipped, this is probably my biggest steal ever, because if you go resale market, this shoe right here is not going for anywhere near $92. Straight DS with icy bottoms in my size, which is a size 7. So this is probably my biggest steal. I'm extremely happy I got this shoe. I've always wanted this shoe, so hey, it's a win-win for me regardless. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. Just for fun sakes, I am going to throw an on foot at the end of this video. Just a quick 30-second, 45-second type on foot, just so you guys can see what it looks like. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with this silhouette, familiar with this colorway, but just for, just in case y'all want to see it again, I'm going to show y'all the on foot. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, of course hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed today's video, drop a like, helps me out, pushing me to new faces in the algorithm. I'm on the road to 600 subs, so hey, let's get it. And with that being said, you know the quote, you know the motto to end it off. Aim high, spread love.